heart, she's got the spark, lighting up the screen, a vision so stark. With every click comes a brand new trick. She's the queen of the digital flick. Hey, 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 it's Twizzler's world. We're just rolling through it, girl. Hey, 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 she's the vibe, setting the tone, she's the drive.
Hi, come with me. So these are one of the apartments in China if you're looking for an apartment. So come with me. To start with, here we have a glass screen just as you come into the apartment, which I feel like is really good, especially for us ladies, because we do love to look at ourselves. And then you see here you have a place where you can actually like hang your jacket. Ta-da! The moment you come in. And then as you can see here, we have the kitchen. In this kitchen, yes, it's quite small because different apartments in China have different sizes. So as you can see, for this kitchen, we have this beautiful counter, which is white. And then we have this gas stove. So most of the apartments in China use gas stoves. Then we have this here. In case there's so much smoke, you can just turn it on here and all the smoke and the steam will be absorbed. Then we have a fridge here. This apartment is a fully furnished apartment. We have a fridge here. This is a single door fridge, not a double door. So you'll find everything here. And then we have this sink. For the window here, you can't really see much outside, but I feel if you're somebody who's living alone, this type of kitchen setup is amazing. So as you can see, in China, they use a lot of these types of geysers, not like the geysers that we have at home in most homes. So for these geysers, I feel they're quite convenient. It's just that they make a lot of sounds. That's the only problem I have with them, but otherwise they're so good. And then we have these cupboards where you can put your stuff. I feel the color is actually good, and they have an induction stove here. You can use this induction stove in case you don't want to use a gas stove. So come with me, see how beautiful this door is. So as you can see, this is the dining area. I feel this dining is beautiful for the fact that it's black, and the color of the chairs also match. Then we have a mirror here. Come, just help me show the mirror. The mirror looks so good. I feel it's a really good setup. Then we have this chandelier right here. I'm sure if we turn it on, I'm not sure if the electricity is working or not, but we have this chandelier here. And then we have the heater, because in China it gets really cold during winter. So we have the heater here, and you have to pay for it. In most of the times in China, you have to pay for it. That's when the heater starts working. So both the gas in China powers the gas stove, powers the heater, and powers the geyser in the bathroom. For this living room, I feel it's quite spacious and it's amazing. First of all, I will start with this mirror setup. Just look at this mirror. This is so nice. And then we do have this table. You can see that for this apartment, nobody has moved in this apartment yet. So everything in here is brand new. Everything was bought by the landlord. So if you'd like to move in this apartment, you will see that everything is furnished. You just need to bring your luggage and yourself and just stock some food and everything else. And then we have the couch, which I think is comfortable. I really love how squishy it is. And then here we have a little mirror for us that love to do makeup. Just right here, I feel this is amazing. If you want this apartment, you can come and contact me. Just send a message in the chat box and let me know what you think of this apartment. And then for these curtains, I feel they match the color of the house, because you can see the curtains, the chairs over there, everything matches this color. And then over here we have, first of all, before I come here, we have another heater. So for this heater, it doesn't use any of the gas. You just have to connect it to electricity, but it does consume a lot of electricity. Then we do have a TV and a TV stand. So if you're a guy, you can bring in your PlayStation or your laptop. Whether a girl or a boy, you can bring in your laptop that you can connect to over here, and then you can simply connect to the TV. And then over here we have the balcony. So for this balcony, I feel this apartment is really good. It has a sink over here. So if you do wanna wash your clothes or rinse something, you can easily use this sink. So I'm not sure if okay. Amazing. Right here where you can stock like your washing powder, your cloth softener, all of those stuff. You can just put them right here. Then every apartment, most of the apartments in China come with a washing machine, and different apartments come with different washing machines. This is the washing machine that opens at the top, but there are those other washing machines that are like right round here. So it depends with what kind of apartment you get. And then you see that for this apartment, it has other closets again. So you can simply put everything that you don't need in the house, everything, maybe your shoes in here, maybe some of your laundry in here. You can simply put them here. And then if you do wash your clothes, you can hang your clothes here so that they dry from this sun. So usually when the clothes are washed from the washing machine, no water drips and they'll easily dry. And then you see that if you can't reach like here, you can actually pull this. So if you're short like me, you see, if you're short like me, you can hang your clothes here, 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 and then you pull it back up like that. You see that? And then you can come and see the view. Right now we are on the 33rd floor. Okay, so this is the whole view of the city. Then can you see here? There's a lake right there. Then there's some grass. I don't know if you can see it properly. Then you can see all the apartments, but it actually looks better in the night, unlike the way it's looking right now. So come with me, let me show you the bedroom. So to start with, this is the bathroom right at the center of the two bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. So we have the lights over here. Come, just let me show you this. We have the lights over here. Then here you can connect your hair dryer or your barbing machine and all of that. Then you can stock up some stuff. Then we have a mirror here, a very beautiful mirror. And then the sink, then the toilet is over here. You can put your toilet paper here, the window. And I think this shower is beautiful. I feel it's convenient. Whether you want to be the two of you inside or just one person, I feel it can fit whether 2 or 1 person. And then we have hangers over here. Can you show this part? We have hangers over here if you want to put the hangers. And here are the drawers. Okay, you can put some things inside. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, I love the color of the room. I love all apartments that are white. I feel it just bounces the light properly. So in this bedroom, we have a heater again in case it's cold. And then we do have an AC. So for that, uses electricity, and this uses gas. So you have to pay for both. And then we have these curtains. I feel the color is amazing. You can still see the view outside. Then we have this bed lamp over here, and we have these drawers that you can use, and your beautiful bed. I feel this is amazing. Over here we have a wardrobe. This wardrobe, you just slide it over. Then you can put your stuff, you can hang your stuff, you can put extra beddings over here. We have this other wardrobe. which you have to pull this side, of which you can still hang your stuff over here and put extra beddings over there or your suitcases. And then you can also put some stuff here, like little stuff that you can put in here. Okay, so, and here we have this that stops the door from banging onto the wall. So you just open the door and it won't bang the wall, which is very good, and destroy the wall. Then we have another bedroom over here, which is quite smaller. It has a heater over here, another AC. You can put your stuff. This bedroom is really small. Then it has a tiny little bed, a single bed actually. I feel the bed is a bit hard. It has a tiny mattress, but you can actually buy a mattress online. It's not that expensive. Then it has this chair that was put here by the landlord, and a sliding wardrobe. There's an extra mirror here. If you want, you can remove the mirror here. Yes. Yes. So after you remove the mirror, you can use it and slide it back. Very convenient, right? So there are extra pillows, but otherwise you can buy pillows from online. Well, if you enjoyed this apartment, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And you can also give me ideas on what you think you can add up in the room, or some other things that you can actually remove from the room. But if you're actually coming here and you're living alone, I feel it's convenient. Whether you're living the two of you, it's also convenient to live here. And I hope you really like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.